There are three ways to add your employees to the platform. You can use the CV parsing feature to conveniently import the CVs of your employees. This feature allows you to add several of them at once. Go to the Talent Management app, choose My Specialists, and click on Create New Specialist. Once you have imported the CVs, send an invite to your employees to complete their profiles. You can also add your employees by filling out a form in the Talent Management app. This method allows you to create basic profiles for new specialists, and you may now send invites to let them add more information to their profiles. Alternatively, if you have a large number of specialists you would like to import, you can upload them using a spreadsheet. First, download our spreadsheet template. Read the instructions carefully and then fill in each field for each specialist. When you are ready, upload your spreadsheet to the Talent Management app. Once your file has been successfully uploaded, the data will automatically start importing and be populated to your specialists' profiles. Once you have imported data, you may send an invite to your employees to complete their profiles.